Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Flash from Flash Hobbies, and today we will be doing an unboxing and honest review of the Air Hogs Batman vs Superman Batmobile. This is supposed to be a official movie replica, and this is for 8 years and older. One of the awesome features about this, it has a rear afterburner LED on the back of the Batmobile, as well as this being a rechargeable battery inside of the vehicle, and you get the 2.4 gigahertz remote, so you get a pretty good distance. I would say somewhere around 200 to 300 feet. And one of the things I'm really looking forward to, it has LED headlights, and the gun turrets actually work. Supposedly there's some kind of motor on there that controls them. I don't know exactly what it's going to do, so I'm really looking forward to that. So let's go ahead and see what comes in the package. One of the first things that you get inside of the package is your instruction booklet. It tells you everything that you need to know about operating the vehicle, charging it, as well as contacting customer service if there are any issues. So standard stuff, nothing special there. You do get the Batmobile, and you get the 2.4 gigahertz remote. So that's pretty much all that comes in there. So let's go ahead and take it out. So under the Batmobile, we had the charging cable, and this is what you're going to use to charge it from the controller to the vehicle itself. The rechargeable battery is built in and is non-removable as far as I know. It may be accessible, but it might void the warranty on the toy itself. So the remote itself is pretty cool. It's got the little Batman logo, nothing special. The Batmobile itself is really spectacular. I gotta say, the detailing on it is amazing, and the wheels are actual rubber, so it's really smooth when it rolls. Another aspect that I really like, it has like battle damage on the vehicle itself, so that's pretty cool. And there's your gun turrets right here in the front, and this is fully functional left and right. I did get this from my local Walmart for $59.99. It was on sale. So what will you need to make this run? Like I said, this already has a rechargeable battery that comes with it, and it has a charging port. So you will need something, because it doesn't come with the block. Either the block off of your phone, you can use a port on a laptop, computer, desktop, it doesn't matter. Your PlayStation, Xbox, Xbox One, it'll fit with all of them, and it just charges it. And you'll also need 2 AA batteries. All you need to do is just get a small screwdriver, which is not included. Pop off the lid, 2 AA's, and you're ready to go. So this one actually has the charger built into the vehicle itself, something I really haven't seen with a lot of the Air Hogs products. You just put in your mini USB here, and then you just connect it to the port. I ran it and I charged it for about 15 minutes or so. It did have a little bit of battery when I got it, so maybe total time 30 minutes or so of charging, and I got about 15 minutes of play. It actually still has a little bit of battery left, and my honest opinion on this product is absolutely love it. The detail is great. You have the rubber wheels. Yeah, it has no suspension, but it just looks fantastic, and it drives. It does just have a one turn. Like if you hit left, it goes as far left as it can go, and right, vice versa. There's not really a lot of tweaking you can do as far as the turning and the handling. So keep that in mind when you have this. But I think this is a great product. The turret guns, real awesome. They turn. They have the LED lights. And in addition to that, you get the LED light on the back of this. And this just makes a great model. When you're not using it, you can put this in a room with any collector's items that you may have, and it'll just be an instant addition to whatever collection you have. I absolutely love this product. I do recommend it. It's a lot of fun, and as you saw in the video, my cats enjoyed it very much as well. They're very curious whenever I was driving this around the house. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If there's any questions that you have, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching Flash Hobbies, and we see you on the next one.